Hi guys, Yulianna is here. Today we are gonna talk about the psychological part of running a business. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding if you are ready to continue with your business idea and grow a successful business. When I was a kid, my father had a business with his friend. They were selling some used appliances. I was surprised that running a business has a lot of problems. Sometimes they had some delivery delays, sometimes something wasn't working as expected, and so on. And such surprises were happening almost daily. To be honest with you, I somehow thought that running a business means enjoying your life. You just need to organize the process and control how other people works for you. But you actually need to solve problems. Different type of problems appear daily, and you are responsible to solve them if you want your business to grow and succeed. If you are still thinking whether you are ready to run a business and be responsible, you should be sure of your decision. And if you took that decision, you shouldn't have any back thoughts anymore. You do everything you can to succeed and try your best to grow your business. When I started my web design business in a new country, I didn't think, oh, maybe there are so many competitors. Maybe I will not have enough clients. Maybe I should choose something else. I just decided to try it and do my best to succeed in it. You know, it's good to analyze the market, check out your competitors, talk to your potential customers, and then take a decision if you find it's worth starting a business. But here is a very big but. When we overthink and overanalyze, we will never start. You will find so many reasons to actually stop you from starting your business. When I started my business, my parents, ex-colleagues, my friends, they couldn't understand how I could dump my great career and position at the university and start in a totally new sphere. I spent almost 20 years of my life in education, different researches, and suddenly I stopped it and switched from theoretical work to practical. I remember they said to me, maybe you should try to find something similar in Canada, or maybe you can do some international researches, or just find a regular job in some office. But because I had been thinking about my own business for a long time already, I was really passionate about starting my own thing and not to depend on location anymore. I had this energy and I was fearless to start my own business. You know, I realized that energy is the most important fuel to grow your business. If you have that passion and energy to start and run your business, you will find time, you will find all necessary resources, you will attract the right people to work with you, you will find ways to grow your company, and in a couple of years, it will be a very successful and growing business. If you are starting your business, you should have enough energy to run it. Even if there are some problems with your business, you must have enough energy to overcome them. When I had this idea of starting my own business, I thought to myself, I don't care that there are many companies doing the same. I just want to help people and I can make it better. I had my vision on how I wanted to treat my clients and what can make me different than others and provide better services than others. The same things was with ProfitScan. When we started it with my husband, we wanted to help people to provide services, to make more money on their services and have extra income. At the same time, to have people like us who are searching for some professionals who can offer services in their own language. We had our clear vision, how we want to make it and what makes us different from other online directories. We knew that we can do it better, easier for people to make money on their services and have more happy clients. Your energy and positive attitude is very, very important in running your business because, as I mentioned before, it is impossible to run a business without coming across challenges. Be ready to have different types of problems in your business. And the main key here, you should love dealing with your problems and solving them. For example, if you are a teacher, the problems you probably have to deal with every day are that your students didn't do their homework, or they are late for their classes, and they are interrupting you when you started your lessons, and so on. But when you are thinking about your own business, be ready for different types of problems, such as struggling to find clients, partners not paying you, some orders not getting delivered in time, dealing with banks, and much more. Now, imagine that this is your daily routine. Because when we think about starting a business, we tend to idealize that picture. We think about all year long vacation, a lot of free time, money comes easily to your bank account, and so on. In reality, it looks a bit different, because even if you are on vacation, you continuously need to check how things are going with your business. You need to monitor all processes remotely and try to solve any problems as soon as possible. I remember when we went to our last vacation, I just got a new client before the trip and we switched his websites under my hosting. But he forgot to mention to me that he had his and his colleagues' emails associated with his domain. As soon as I switched them to a new hosting, all their emails stopped working. While having my paradise vacation in Mexico with my family, my client wrote to me that their emails are not working and if this can be related to switching his website to a new hosting. Of course it was related, and I had to spend a big part of that day to set up a good secure internet connection and get his problem fixed as soon as possible. Be ready to fix your clients' problems wherever you are. This is a reality for every single business. You will have problems and you will need to fix them. Choose the type of business that has that kind of problems you love to fix. It is the same as in our life. We come across different problems, some of them are smaller, some are bigger, and we are solving them during our life. As soon as we solve one problem, another one comes up. This is life. Think which problems you can potentially have in your business. Then ask yourself if you are ready to deal with them daily. Once you answer yes, yes, I am passionate to start my business, and yes, I am ready to solve its possible problems. This will be that perfect time when you are ready to run a business and make it successful over time. One more thing I would like to add. Even if your business idea fails after a couple of months, it's okay. It happens sometimes. It's okay to suffer, because suffer promotes change. Sometimes we are so blind with our business idea that we don't see numbers. It's okay to work for free for 2-3 months when we settle our business, but then it should bring some income, at least to cover expenses. If we don't see any financial improvements in a couple of months, it is the right time to stop spending your own resources and wasting your own time, and just be honest with yourself. Please, please, face your problems, analyze your numbers, and take the right decisions. You still got some experience, and next time you will do better. It is quite rare when people succeed in their first business idea. Usually people try a couple of ideas, they open a couple of businesses, then they collect experience, and then they find that special, perfect business idea which brings them a fortune. I hope you found value in this video. Please click the like button and subscribe if you didn't do it yet. See you in my next video.